Hello everyone, welcome back again to our online class. Last week was so amazing because you were so active. I hope this time you will still have the same energy. Alright? So, the topic for today is prepositional phrase. But before discussing this, I have here a short exercise for you to have a short recall on last week's topic. So, what is your task? You're going to find the preposition in the sentence and then write your answer on your paper. So, I am going to give you 20 seconds to answer. Alright? So, 20 seconds starts now. I stumble a bit before I fall. What is the preposition in this sentence? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time is up. So, what is the preposition in this sentence? Alright, very good. It's before, right? Okay, next. Then I tumble to the ground. What is the preposition in this sentence? Alright. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Alright. The correct answer is yes, you're right. The preposition in the sentence is to. Next, this is the last sentence. The coach kneels beside me. What is the preposition in this sentence? Alright. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time is up. Okay, the preposition in a sentence is ta-da! Alright, it's beside. Remember class that preposition links or connect the noun or pronoun to the other words in a sentence. So that is its purpose in a sentence. The objectives for today are we're going to define prepositional phrase and identify prepositional phrase in sentences. That's so easy to accomplish today. Okay, so which of the following is a phrase? Letter A, the mouse is on the table. Letter B, before going home. Alright, which do you think? What letter here is a phrase? Okay, very good. So the phrase is letter B, before going home. Mr. Alvin, what is a phrase? Alright. A phrase is a group of two or more words that express a single idea but do not form a complete sentence. Look at this example, before going home. This is a phrase because it has no subject, so therefore it does not express a complete thought. Unlike in a sentence, it has a subject and a predicate that express a complete thought. In this case, this is just a phrase because it does not express a complete thought. Now look at this phrase class. Before here is preposition. Okay? Notice this. This is a preposition and ends with a noun. So what do we call this phrase? Alright, so let's discuss it later. Alright, let's discuss sentence A. The mouse is on the table. Look at this, class. I underlined the phrase on the table. Why? Because we call this phrase a prepositional phrase. Mr. Alvin, why do we call this a prepositional phrase? What is a prepositional phrase? Do you have any idea? What is the prepositional phrase? Look at this encircled phrase. It has preposition and ends with a noun. So we say this is a prepositional phrase. But the question is, what is a prepositional phrase? Okay. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition. In this example, it begins with preposition on and ends with a noun or a pronoun. Look at this. This is a noun. Table is a noun because it is a name of a thing. So all of the words in between are part of the prepositional phrase. So the word the is part of the prepositional phrase. So we call this prepositional phrase. Alright? Remember that prepositional phrase begins with a preposition. In this example, it starts with on and ends with a noun or a pronoun. In this example, it ends with a noun, which is table. So the words in between the preposition and the noun are part of the prepositional phrase. So this is the complete prepositional phrase. Alright? Question, sir. How do we identify the prepositional phrase in a sentence? Oh, it's very simple. Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. So, all the words in between the preposition and the noun are part of the prepositional phrase. Alright? That's how we're going to identify the preposition in a sentence. Alright, let's have an example. I'm going to give you 20 seconds to answer or to identify the prepositional phrase in a sentence. Okay? 20 seconds starts now. The soccer team's field is behind our school. So what is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The prepositional phrase in the sentence is alright, behind our school. Alright? Remember, it starts with preposition behind and ends with a noun. So our is part of the prepositional phrase. This is your prepositional phrase. Alright, next sentence. Gina was the team goalie until this week. What is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? Write your answer on your paper. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is until this week. Until is the preposition. Week is the noun. Alright? Remember, Until is the preposition. Week here is the noun. And this is part of the prepositional phrase. So until this week is the prepositional phrase. Last sentence. The coach made Rossi the new goalie during yesterday's game. So find the prepositional phrase in this sentence. Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay. So the prepositional phrase in this sentence is during yesterday's game. Okay. The preposition here is during. Game is the noun. So from during until the word game is the prepositional phrase in this sentence. Alright? So this is our prepositional phrase during yesterday's game. So it tells us when did Rossi became the goalie. Alright, any questions from you guys? Okay, so none. So I hope you were able to get our lesson clearly. Now, let's try to check your homework in your Google Classroom. So all you need to do there is to find prepositional phrase in each sentence. You only have 5 items. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. And please go to your Google Classroom to fill up or complete the feedback form, or you can scan this QR code in front of you on your screen for your feedback. I am so happy to receive all your feedbacks. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.